Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, got some exciting news for you. Stick around to the end of this video tonight. Got a big surprise for everybody. Quick announcement and a lot of cool things going to happen over the course of the next week or so. So just want to make sure you're aware of them. Before we get to that, let me just top off some of our calendar events coming up. This coming Saturday, Fort Myers Cars and Coffee. The 21st, the OCC up at St. Pete Clearwater. On the 25th, Kevin's Bimmers Brews and Bends. On the 25th also is the Gainesville Meet and Greet luncheon, so check that out. When we get to the first of next month, April's going to be here really quick. A couple things: the BMW at Sarasota, the Cars and Coffee. On the same thing on the first, we have the Panhandle Spring Country Drive. So those folks up in the Fort Walton Beach area, Pensacola Beach, Panama City and area want to get involved in that. That's a great drive. Courtney's got that set up, and just a really nice spring drive out through the country. And I think there might be some barbecue included in that, so you might just want to check it out. On the 6th, we have the Pensacola Meet and Eat. Justin's group over there, so join them. On the 8th, we have at Tuning Dynamics, we have a dyno day. Starts at 7:30 in the morning. Pre-registration, you can get it done for 80 bucks. So if you always had a question about what kind of horsepower your car's making, 80 bucks. Day of event registration is 120 bucks. If you want to just go and watch, it's all free. But we're gonna have to have some folks sign up for it so we can watch somebody. So get out there, Tuning Dynamics, look for the information below. You can RSVP. I think Kevin Tipton's helping set that up. On the 9th, we have Gainesville Cars and Coffee. And on the 11th, Panama City, Bimmers and Dinner. That's Chris's new thing up there on the Forgotten Coast, so come check it out. For those folks that were interested in the Reeves, the Revs visit down in Naples, that's on the 21st of April. We moved it because we had some conflict with the March date, so a lot of folks couldn't make it March date, so it's now April 21st, so get tuned in. Hey, this past weekend we hosted the South Atlantic Chapters Congress, if you will, in Tampa. About 45 folks were out, and just some really cool special news. There's going to be a lot of information come out about this in the coming next week, and I'm sort of backing up here because I got a big surprise for you. There's an International BMW Council once a year names one chapter of the year worldwide, and I'm just proud. I'll cut to the chase. There's going to be more details. You'll see how we qualify, the whole 9 yards. It's about a 2-year vetting process, but the international chapter based in Germany has 54 countries they look at. It's only been won one time in the US, and I think it's back in 2015 to the Pittsburgh Chapter. Well, I'm just proud. I can't tell you how proud I am of all of our members and volunteers for our chapter. But Florida SunCoast, see if I can flip this around for us. Nope, so I can't flip it around, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm turning the camera around. Florida SunCoast is now the recipient of Chapter of the Year for, which is just absolutely amazing, for 2022. I think that picture's in the right way. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. We're going to have the trophy. The trophy's going to go on a tour for all of our events. I'll be trying to schedule attendance at all the different events that are coming up around the Florida SunCoast area. We want people to be able to see it, touch it, and say you've touched a trophy that it's one of a kind. Just an amazing outcome. And listen, it's a lot of work that we do at the chapter, a lot of things that we've done over time to build the chapter, new events, just some concepts that help BMW CCA grow. And so it's all about the members and what you do as volunteers and members. So it's a very humbling position. Look down below. We have a couple of videos and some other information that's going to give you a little bit more. Got to tell you, thanks to our executive director Frank Patak, to our Executive Vice President CCA Ann Shirk, to our Regional VP Simone Harrison, and others that were involved in helping this come about. Total surprise on our part. We didn't know it until last Saturday, and it's just been it's been a pretty cool week, I have to admit to you. Take a look at the videos down below. Watch for your Beamer. Watch for a Bimmer Life email on the 20th that comes out, and Mike Bevels with Beamer Life is going to have an article on us, on the chapter, and on our recipient, on winning this. You'll see pictures and details and get all the stats. But just ecstatic. This is going to be a really cool year for us. Hey, the coolest thing I can say is it's the best chapter in the world. Here it is, folks. Enjoy it. So until I see you then, we're going to say get off the sofa, come play. Happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Thanks.